Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here at Nonstop Money TV, and today I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can start making money online 100% free worldwide, simply solving captchas, you guys. Now, if you're not familiar with what this is what this looks like. I know each and every one of you have done this if you've been browsing the web, right? Because even when you're signing into Facebook, they have security features that look something like this, where they're trying to verify that you're an actual human being and there's not computers trying to log into accounts, right? So you have to click I'm not a robot, and then you have to type out the phrase that you see in the box. Well, the problem here is there's a lot of companies that need these solved and computers can't do it themselves. So they hire people like you and I to actually go out there and solve these different captchas. Now, another one that you might see is familiar to, or looks similar to this one right here. I'm not a robot. Some of them just require you simply just to click a box, you guys. Very simple, easy to do stuff. Anybody can do this, no special skills required. It has to be one of the easiest ways to make money online and start earning free PayPal cash, all kinds of different great payment methods. So if you're interested and you want to learn about the top 3 websites that are paying folks to do this, then you need to stick with me through this entire video. Let's get straight into this. All right, you guys, let's get started right now. Making money online, simply solving captchas. Absolutely love this method. Very simple. Excited to get this out to you. Now, before I actually reveal this to you, it's very important that you are subscribed to this channel, that you hit that bell notification, you crush that thumbs up, and that you drop me a comment and let me know that you were here. Even if you just type make money online, I always appreciate all the folks checking in, dropping likes, and interacting on this channel. You guys share these videos with your friends, your family, post them on social media, please, because I want to get the word out to as many people as possible and set them on financial freedom as well. Now, one other thing I want to mention in this video is I'm going to show you and reveal to you exactly what I'm doing to earn up to $10,000 online every single month in passive income, working when I want on the internet, you guys, to be able to work from anywhere in the world. If you want to start your own online business and you want to know how to do it step by step and have experts take you by the hand and show you exactly what you need to be doing, and you want to stick with me through this entire video. It's also important you understand I'm going to be starting out with the least paying site, and we're going to work our way up to the highest paying site. So it's very important you watch all the way through this video. So let's get started. I don't want to waste 1 second of your time. All right, you guys, let's get straight into this video just as promised. Now, remember, we're going to be going from least to highest paying, and I'm also going to show you in this video exactly how to make a significant amount of money online, up to $10,000, right? Because I want you to understand first and foremost up front, right? You're not going to get rich just typing captchas, but it's a great way to make some extra side income. It's a great side hustle, but it's not going to make you rich. But don't worry, because I have the solution for you in this video, because at the end, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm doing to make a significant amount of money online in passive income, you guys. You want to stick around for that. Now, this first one that we're looking at right here is called 2Captcha.com. I'm going to display that for you right here on the screen so that you can actually see the website. You just want to type that into your web browser. It's going to bring you directly to the page that we're looking at right now. Now, when you arrive here, what you're going to notice is they have a little captcha right up at the top, right? This is what we're going to be doing. You know how to type these out. If you've never done this before, you guys, all you're doing is looking at words in a box, and the computers can't recognize this. This is why we're getting employed to do this. And you want to type these words down into a box below and hit submit. And every time that you do this, the faster that you get at this, and the more that you do, the more you're going to get paid. Now, how do you get started with 2Captcha.com? You simply come right over here. You can click on this register button, or you can hit this quick start button right here. They're going to ask for your name, your email address. They'll probably get to asking for your PayPal account. So you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account established as well, so they can transfer the funds that you make over to your PayPal account. So just as we discussed, you guys, it's home data entry, right? All you're going to be doing is typing short little phrases like this into a box and hitting submit. So instant payments, you guys, you can cash out fast whenever you want, and very easy to start. So check out 2Captcha.com and understand one thing as well. Just because this website comes first and it is the least paying one, it doesn't mean that it's not legit. I spent a lot of time and effort going and verifying that all of these are 100% legit ways to start making money online, you guys. So check every single one of these out, and if any of the work runs out on one of them, you can simply jump to one of these other sites and start to continue to make money on those as well. You can use them all interchangeably so that you can make the most money possible on your side hustle. Coming in at our number 2 spot right here, we have megatypers.com, you guys. Now, again, this one is legit. It works. They pay up to $200 every single month. You can see that right here. It works worldwide. They're currently looking for typers from around the globe, you guys. All countries are accepted and liked on this platform. All you need to have to work with them is a computer and an internet connection and the ability to type 10 words per minute. Now, I know everybody can type 10 words per minute. My grandma can type 10 words per minute, and that's no offense to older folks, but I'm serious here. You can make up to 10, everyone can type up to 10 words per minute, right? So very, very easy. The people that they're looking for are mothers that are stay at home, parents that need a second job, students, or people in between jobs, or just anybody that has some free time that wants to make some extra cash on the side. You guys, great side hustle right here. Come check these guys out. You can earn anywhere, again, you guys, between $100 and $250 worth of credit, and they pay out in bank checks, PayPal, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union right here on the megatypers.com. And now last up here, as promised, coming in at our #1 spot, we have PolotoBoblow, you guys. Now this is the granddaddy of the data entry systems for reCAPTCHA type work that we've been talking about in this video. And again, I saved it till last because they're the highest paying and they've been around the longest, you guys. They've been around since 2007. PolotoBoblow is working from 2007 and they are not planning going anywhere. So if you want to invest in them and understand that they're going to be around for quite a long time, if you want to start working with these guys, they pride themselves on accuracy and liquidity. You can instantly withdraw money to different payment systems and send it to other accounts, you guys. They make it very, very simple to cash out and send your money back to your PayPal account and all kinds of different other payment methods. So it's really cool. They have great testimonials down here if you want to read through these. I'm not going to read them for you, but if you want to get started, all you want to do is focus your attention right here where it says start working. Click on that, provide them your information, your name, your email address. It doesn't take long to sign up at all, and start earning money online today, you guys. 100% free, worldwide, free PayPal cash. Now, understand, if you're like me and you want to earn a serious amount of money online, because I want to be completely upfront and honest with you in this video. Really, really important to me that we're always being honest. And I want you to make the most money possible, you guys, because I struggled for so long, 15 years, literally fumbling around trying all kinds of different crazy businesses, real estate, MLM businesses, where I chased around my friends and family, only to fail and have people really start avoiding me. And it hurt, you guys. It was my friends and my family. And today I want to show you an online business. Literally, we don't have to chase around your friends and family, and you can earn passive income and you can earn money literally through the roof, work from anywhere in the world, and literally just have a life of freedom so that you can get time back on your side. If you're not thinking about that, guys, that's what it's all about, is your time, right? When you go to work, you're trading your time for money. So if you can make a ton of money, you can buy time to do the things that are most important to you. And that's why I got started doing this. I wanted to personally spend time with my family. I have some small children and I want to be there to raise them, to take them to school, take them to their sports, and be their coach, and spend time with my spouse and just take really nice vacations and not have to worry about finances. And I wanted to be able to buy that time. So if you find that you're like me and you're just looking for a system that's going to take you by the hand and show you how to start your own online business step by step, then you want to check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description of this video. That's where it starts. It's legit. They are, have the best integrity and they really care. They want people to succeed. It's my mentor literally that has set me free, and it took me 15 years, you guys. Don't make it take that long for you. If there's one piece of advice that I could share with you today, is to take action. Get the right information, which is down the top of the description. Take immediate action. Don't procrastinate. A lot of people say, oh, that's a great idea. Maybe I'll do that maybe next year or, next week. And then it never happens. They forget about it and it never happens. The people that are successful are the ones that find legitimate information and they take immediate action. And then the second step is to stay consistent. And the third step is to never quit. If you click on that link down below this video and you take those 3 approaches, you will find success if you can do that. I promise you, you'll find success if you do that. So you guys, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope everybody is doing well. I know it's very, very crazy times right now in this world, and I just want to help as many folks as I possibly can. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell notification. Make sure that you share this video. Make sure that you like it, and make sure that you've dropped me a comment, even if you just type "make money online." That's all I have for you in this one. I will see you on the next one. Take care. Peace.